Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us. Good morning, Jennifer. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. So today we will complete our mini exploration of APARIGRAHA, non-attachment, letting go. I'll remind you the Yoga Sutra that goes with it. Freedom from wanting unlocks the real purpose of existence. Freedom from wanting unlocks the real purpose of existence. Often we confuse non-attachment with not caring. I know there was a big confusion for me at least some some years ago when I was first introduced to this concept. I kept thinking, how can I detach from the outcome if I really care? How can I let go of something if I want it so much? This makes absolutely no sense to me. But as I dove into my own exploration of non-attachment, the true meaning of it started to gradually be revealed to me. Non-attachment doesn't require disengaging from our surroundings or disconnecting emotionally from our relationships and lives. Instead, it actually encourages us to recognize letting go as a normal part of life, just like breath. A normal part of life that has the potential to create space and to let us enjoy what's already around us, in front of us. Deborah Adele, in her book Yamas Niyamas, writes, "Non-attachment doesn't mean that we don't care. In fact, it frees us up to be truly immersed in appreciation of life and others. Much like the breath, we are invited to breathe in life deeply, enjoying the fullness of this inhalation, and then to let go just as deeply and fully, enjoying the release of the exhale. The fewer attachments we carry with us, the more we are free to enjoy and engage and live every moment before us to the fullest. The more breath we let go of, the more room there is in our body for the fullness of the next inhalation." The more we generously share and give away, the more expansive and light we become. The journey of life is towards freedom. A bird cannot hold its perch and fly. Neither can we grasp anything and be free at the same time. Practicing constant generosity and unfailing trust will keep our greed in check and keep us open to life's unfolding. The truth is, what we hold on to is often so small, and what wants to come to us is often much greater than our wildest dreams. We just need to learn to be comfortable in the suspense between the exhale and the next inhale, between letting go of the old and welcoming the new, in total trust of the timing and of a future that is greater than the one we're so desperately clinging to. Krishna Das says we have developed a strong holding on muscle in the mind, but the letting go muscle is totally underdeveloped. And he suggests that we get our mind in shape by using this letting go muscle more often, practicing with little things so that we are prepared when the bigger things come along. So let's give this letting go muscle some exercise right now. Take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both internal and external. As you take this mindful pause, inhabit it with all your senses, feeling the truth of being you, right now, right here. Let your breath be soft, natural, effortless. And for the next few moments, let's focus on the breath and more precisely on the pause between your exhale and the next inhale. How does this pause feel? If you really focus on that, can you sense that something comes up? Or is it natural, effortless, flowy? Take a few rounds like that, exploring the pause between your exhale and the following inhale. Continue exploring this little pause between your exhale and inhale as I read a poem from Dana Folds that's called Let Go of Something. Let go of something, somewhere. Use yoga to become aware, to touch what lies beneath the surface of the skin. Is there tension, longing for release? A knot of fear so deep and familiar that you believe it's part of who you are? Ease into dark corners, locked rooms, unexplored hallways. Gain entry not by force or will, but only by softness. Enter on the wings of breath and turn the key of self-acceptance to let go of something, somewhere. Continue breathing gently, effortlessly. And with each exhale, you can quietly say to yourself, I am willing and ready to let go of something, somewhere. I am willing and ready to let go of something, somewhere. As you do this, pay attention to this pause between your exhale and inhale, and maybe the things you need to release will be revealed to you during this pause, in images, words, sensations. Maybe they won't. It's all good. Keep being willing of letting go of something, somewhere, with each exhale. And trust that this practice is a perfect exercise to prepare you for releasing big attachments when the time comes to do that. With each exhale, I am willing and ready to let go of something, somewhere. Perhaps scan your body and notice how it resonates within you. Is there resistance to this phrase? Is there acceptance? Is there heaviness or lightness? Or maybe it's all of it at the same time, which is also perfectly fine. And I want to complete our practice today with this really cool paradox that Swami Jnaneshwara describes in this little verse, and that I find really true. Love is what is left when you've let go of all the things you love. Love is what is left when you've let go of all the things you love. Thank you so much for being here today. As you go through your day, remember to exercise your letting go muscle, releasing the little things, tension in your body, thoughts that may be toxic. ideas that you don't need anymore, that don't serve you. Anything that you come up with. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.